Hey FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm back with another amazing and creative dollhouse. And for those of you who don't know, I've already made like 5 of them earlier on my channel, and there were a lot of fairy houses as well, so go and check those out. So over here, as you can see, I've taken this cardboard box and I'll just take my scissors and chop this part off. So once that is open, I'll cut it off and just put it aside. So as you can see, this is what I get. And once that is done, as you can see, I'm just cutting off the excess cardboard pieces which I don't need for the house. And once that is done, I've taken this beautiful pink colored card paper and that I'll be covering it. So first, before that, I'll be using these triangle cutouts for the top. So guys, now once those are done, now I'll just apply that pink color on top of this. So guys, for this dollhouse, I'm going for the pink and white theme, which is actually of Barbie. So that's what I'm doing over here. Then I'll just take my cutter and I'll cut these designs, which are actually the windows and the doors. So once I'm done with that, I'll apply this translucent sheet inside so that it looks like the glass mirrors. And after I'm done with that, I'll just cut this part again from the middle. And once that is done, I'll now just stick it. So guys, once that is done, I'll just close the sides also. And after that, I'll get something like this, on which I'll again cover the same pink colored paper. Guys, you can also paint it, but I decided to go for the papers so that it looks even. And once that is done, over here, as you can see, I've taken this white glitter foam sheet, and guys, yes, this is the glitter one. So over here, I'll just apply this beautiful tiny strips for the windows and the doors. So guys, once the windows and the doors are now completed, as you can see, this is the lace which I've got, and this is the white beautiful pretty lace, and that I'll just stick it over here. But before that, I'll apply a piece of cardboard so that it looks 3D and comes out, and then on top of that, I'll apply this lace. And likewise, I'll just repeat it wherever I want this to be, like all the windows. And once I'm done with that, let's make the roof. So for that, I've used again this white card paper. And once I'm done with that, I'll use my tweezers and I'll poke a hole over here. Once I'm done with that, again now over here, I'll just apply the same lace which I used for the windows and the doors. And then this is another piece of the window, which is like the 3D window, and that I'll apply it over here. And guys, as you can see, the holes I made are actually for the fairy lights to be attached over there. You can just use it as a decoration too. So for that, I made some holes. It's totally optional, guys. If you're not planning to put the fairy lights inside, then you just skip that. Once you're done with that, I'll apply this tiny roof over here as well. And guys, this is another piece of the same pink card paper which I'll be applying it over here, the roof of that as well. So I'll just cut it off from all the 4 corners and then fold it a little bit. Then I'll just cut little parts away from that, and then I'll stick it like this. So now I'll apply it on top of this. So, yep. Now this is done, as you can see. Now over here I'll just apply this white cut paper piece again for the balcony, and over here as well on the sides. So that will be the first floor, and then again, as you can see that cutout, I'll just apply the pink colored cut paper on top of that as well. Cut out the windows, cover it with some white glitter foam sheet, and then I'll over here roll this so that I get a cylindrical shape, and then I'll cut it again into that triangle shape over here. So guys, this will be two buildings over here which I'm going to make, and one is just the normal one and the other one is the cylindrical one. So now over here again I'll apply the roof, which is of white cut paper, and this is how it looks. Now once that is done, again the same lace will be applied over here as well. Once that is done, again the first floor and the balcony would be the white cut paper, and it's half semicircle. And once I'm done with that, again I'll just apply some lace. So this is what it looks, guys. And now over here I'll just take this white cut paper for the base. So this is how it looks, guys. Now I'll just cover this white cut paper stripes, and then over here I've taken some circles and some paper coilings. So I'll just apply these over here. So these will be the tiny pillars for the house. And now let's apply the pillars. So over here I'll just apply it like this. I'll over here apply these same lace over here again. So this will work as the side fences, guys, and I'll just go through all the sides of the house. And once I'm done with that, I'll apply this over here on the first floor balcony as well. This will be the base for that cylindrical building which I made. So I made a hole there also for the fairy lights as well. Then over here I'll just apply the same lace, and once I'm done with that, this is the main base for the house, and this is what it looks like, guys. It's a rectangle shape, and on that I'll be applying these two buildings on each of the sides. And once that is done, I'll take this craft wire, roll some white paper on top of it, take some white cut paper and make it in the zigzag shape so that I get that perfect nice side staircase over here. So I'll just stick it over here with my hot glue gun, of course. And once that is done, I'll just apply these two side pillars. Once side pillars are done, now let's apply the stairs. So I've just used it lightly so that it can look like it's going from this side to that side. And once that is done, I'll apply these two pillars over here as well, and that pillar on this other side. Now I'll just take some coilings, cut them off, and just keep on applying the staircase sides, corners. So this will be a beautiful railing. So guys, once I'm done with that, I'll apply this white glitter foam sheet over here to complete the staircase. So tada, the staircase are now completed. Now let's apply some greenery over here. So this is what I'm making over here. So this is the creeper which I'll be applying it over here, and these are some flowers, some just crushes, small tiny crush pieces of flowers, papers. So that's what it looks like, guys. This is the completed look of the house. Now over here I'll take this green paper, apply it over here on the base, then apply a table, chair and some toast and mug for the coffee. And this is what my completed house looks like, guys. I've also applied fairy lights in the holes which I made, and that also just looked beautiful. So this is what it looks like, guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you comment down below if you want to see more of the doll houses so that I can bring it in the future. So till next time, bye bye.